Hi, I'm Dorothy Neufeld with the Investing News Network, and here with me today at the Extraordinary Futures Conference is Angela Holowaychuk, CEO of Squire Mining. Thank you for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
So I wanted to first start off about talking about the story behind Squire Mining.
Squire Mining is a Canadian technology company. We have headquarters in Vancouver, BC. We focus on cloud computing data infrastructure and asset management, and we also have collaborations going on in our hardware and our software development projects built upon the blockchain. So we've gone through quite a transformation this year. Squire Mining, originally about a year ago, we brought in new management and we took a company that was solely focused on the manufacturing and distribution of ASIC mining hardware and injected a revenue-generating operations and asset inventory into the company through the recently announced acquisition transaction with CoinGeek Mining and Hardware. So through that transaction, upon close of that transaction, we will manage over 220,000 ASIC miners, which equals 3,000 petahash of computing power. And that will make, upon close, Squire the largest publicly traded blockchain mining company in the world. So it's a very exciting time for us, and we're in the final stages of closing that transaction.
Wow, that's so fantastic. Where are your mining operations?
So our the mining operations that we are bringing in, it was a two-phased approach to the acquisition. In the first phase, we closed around the end of April. We brought in about 20,000 units. They're based under a hosting contract in Kazakhstan. It's a fantastic facility for us. And in the second phase of the transaction, which we're in the final stages of closing, it's a diversified kind of placement of those assets. So we have it across, rest of the world. So we have it Canada, US.
Interesting. So how did Squire Mining all begin?
Squire was originally a resource mining company, and they had a team come in and change the business purpose over into ASIC mining hardware. They were focused on that, and it was the manufacturing distribution of that. We brought in some expert team members from the crypto industry, and we really started building and strategizing the company into having diverse business operations. So not only focused on hardware, but also focused on infrastructure and software development as well too.
Interesting. And in terms of some of the major milestones that you've experienced in addition to the acquisition, can you tell me more about these?
Yeah, so one of our most immediate focus is going to be absorbing this new operation at the scale of it, looking for operational efficiencies to increase our yields, reduce our operating costs, inject a lot more solutions into those operations. Long term, though, we're always going to stay focused on becoming the world's largest blockchain services provider. So we want to be able to be a vertically integrated services provider for enterprise level clients. I think it's inevitable that institutions and enterprises will want to get into this industry, and we want to be able to take care of the complex business operations while turning over a turnkey solution for those types of clients so that it can streamline their entry into this industry.
Interesting. And in terms of the market overall, what are you seeing?
The market, it's quite active. There's a lot of great companies in the crypto space, crypto mining space particularly. With the coin, as volatile as it is, it definitely makes the market. We just kind of came out of a downturn in the market, and what happened there was a lot of consolidation and a lot of business strategy that took place. There were changes, and it's actually, with the price of Bitcoin going up, it stabilized a lot of business, but there was a lot of consolidation that happened before that stabilization. So it's a very exciting time for crypto miners.
Interesting. And what are your plans with Squire Mining for the future?
Our future plans are to become vertically integrated. So we've got great collaborations happening in hardware, in our software development projects. We're partnered with some of the leading industry experts. We've got Enchain based out of the UK, Core Scientific based in the United States that we've partnered up with for collaborations in our software development. So we're really just focused on a lot of those projects to become vertically integrated. We want to become a services provider for blockchain solutions for enterprise level clients.
That's so exciting. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Yeah, it's great to meet you.
Once again, I'm Dorothy Neufeld with the Investing News Network.